Today I've got a recipe for butter chicken. Butter chicken is very popular dish around the world, which is one of the curry. And all the ingredients down below in the description. You can check it out. For the chicken marinade, I've got chicken thigh fillet. That's a diced chicken thigh fillet. A mix of tandoori and garam masala. Canola oil. Ginger garlic paste. Greek style yogurt. Lemon juice. And some salt. So I'm gonna mix that well with my bare hand, and it's gonna go in the fridge for 2 hours to contain all the flavors. You can put longer for like better result, but I'm only putting 2 hours because I gotta cook it right away. For butter chicken sauce, meanwhile we're making the butter chicken sauce, I've got 2 medium-sized onion, 400 gram of the canned diced tomato. I've got ginger garlic paste again, garam masala, fenugreek dried leaves, milk, but you can also use cream, and some coriander leaves. I'm heating some oil. And placing the ginger garlic paste, some onions. I'm frying that well. Two, 3 spoons of the butter. You can also use ghee. The garam masalas. I'm frying that well, just to make sure like it has to be soft enough because we're blending through. And some salt. And the tomatoes. You can also use the fresh tomato, but I prefer the canned tomato because it's easy. So once it's nearly ready, means soft enough, and I'm adding some milk. And blending through with my stick blender. And look at that beautiful color, that rose color of the butter chicken sauce. Now again I'm heating my pan. This time we're gonna fry that chicken. It's already been 2 hours. Look at the beautiful color of the chicken, coated with the masalas, yogurt. This chicken you can do 2 ways. You can do it in the oven, so, or on the pan. So it's up to you. Once the chicken is nearly ready, I'm adding the fenugreek leaves for the aroma. This is optional too, so if you don't have a fenugreek leaves, that doesn't mean you can't make butter chicken at home. And I'm adding my beautiful butter chicken sauce. I made it previously. Look at this beautiful chicken, butter chicken. In Indian language it also called chicken makhani. The makhani mean the butter. So today I'm serving with the rice, but you can also serve with roti or the bread. Look at the delicious butter chicken on my plate. I'm finishing with this beautiful coriander. Oh, look at this beautiful chicken. You got all the flavors, tenderness, and the saucy butter chicken. To watch more of this video, please subscribe our channel, like, please do comment, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.